Hi, my name is Acey. Welcome to my little corner of YouTube. This video is going to be a short introduction, quasi debut of myself, this channel, and the goals associated. So let's start with me. As you can see, I'm doing the VTube thing. I chose this line of YouTubing because privacy, and I prefer to keep it, but it's also pretty cool seeing yourself as an animated character rather than a live version. I can look at the camera and shake my hand and shit, so that's cool. That I'm not too familiar with the VTubing community, tropes and things like that. I'm working on it. I'm working on rectifying that to satisfy my own curiosity, but yeah, don't expect collabs or anything. I don't know nobody. My character is meant to be an anthropomorphic mule, and I don't know if you can tell, but I have an aversion to public speaking and high energy. Working on that too. Lore is pretty non-existent. I'm doing it because I want to. I'm working, or not me personally, but I'm commissioning a 2D model. This 3D model is something I made, and I'm not an artist. It's scuffed as fuck. But yeah, hopefully the 2D model works out soon. This channel, the plan is to have it via the gaming variety. There are quite a few games that I wanted to play or wanted to finish, and this is dating all the way back to Oblivion. So a lot of games. And yeah, the goal right now is to reclaim my long-forsaken title as a gamer. There's your lore. Got a long ways to go, but I hope you'll be a companion on that journey. Thanks for watching. Look for videos hopefully coming out soon. I just have to build up the courage again. Alright.